Hi everyone, this after-sales system is to complete the after-sales service more efficiently. Please follow the procedure below to apply for after-sales service. If you fill in incomplete information, the process may be returned to you and you need to fill in the missing information and submit it again. If you have any questions, please contact the technical staff. Step 1. Log into the after-sales system via the website. Click EN to switch the language. Enter account number and password to sign in. Step 2. After logging in, please create a new after-sales. Step 3. Fill in the application information. Select the priority of this after-sales process in the priority field. Fill in your name and contact information. Fill in the SN number of the machine. Enter the last 7 digits of the barcode and press Enter key. After adding detailed fault information, upload a picture or video of the machine's damage. If more than one machine requires aftermarket service, continue to click Add Material Details to add. If you quit in the middle of the process, click Save. Fill in the information and submit. Step 4. Here we can see the amount of orders which we have applied for after sales. Step 5. Confirmation of receipt of goods is complete. After receiving the shipment, click Receipt Completed. Please note if you click Incomplete, you will not able to proceed to next step and then all personnel will be notified that order is not complete.